Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 18 Bice Avenue in the beautiful Noarlunga. I've got a stunning home for you, from the beautiful basket range frontage to the great sized rooms and the perfect renovation that's been carried out throughout. It's got a beautiful new bathroom, great sized rooms, gorgeous floorboards, and the flow out to the beautiful backyard that's been perfectly landscaped is absolutely phenomenal. It's on over 730 square meters and it has an 18-meter frontage, and it's going to be perfect for all the investors, first home buyers, or people that just want the sea change. Let's jump in and have a great look around. There you have it. What an absolutely stunning home. You're gonna love the backyard here. You're gonna love the location, being close to Noarlunga with a beautiful beach, gorgeous cafes, and of course there's so many services and easy access to the expressway as well. It's a gorgeous spot and one I'm sure you're gonna love, whether you're an investor or a homeowner. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.